Welcome to part one of the Essential Skills for the Technical Professional course. Part one is really the cornerstone. It's about connection and communication. Everything else we talk about in this course series builds upon connection and communication. It really is the foundation for our effectiveness. So the first lesson in part one is communication for connection, where we really talk about how interactions can be utilized to build relationship with people versus just to transfer information. The second component of part one is around how to make requests. How do you really be proactive in what you want or need in your career? How do you make requests of the people in decision-making roles in order to really move yourself forward and participate fully in the role that you play? The third lesson in part one of the series is around challenging conversations and conflict management. This is a critical component as it is always coming up that we have to negotiate in hard ways with others in teams and other environments. The fourth part of this is negotiation. Negotiation is going to be a critical part of your career where you have to negotiate for salary, for promotion, for opportunities on projects. We will really give you some key skills and tactics for how to manage negotiation effectively. The next lesson in this part is emotional intelligence, which is really the nuance, the art of how you show up in your role and in your position on the team. Emotional intelligence is a critical component of really being able to be relatable and connected with others. The next lesson is communication for diversity, equity, and inclusion. In today's day and age, there really is not an option but to be better at how we create inclusive environments. This is the current day conversation that we are having in any workplace, and it's really important for you to understand what it means and what part you play in building diversity, equity, and inclusion on every team and company you're a part of. Lastly, we'll be talking about public speaking and body language. We know that public speaking makes lots of people feel afraid, and we also know that it's really an essential component of showing up and advancing your career. So we'll give you some key strategies for how to really use public speaking to share your wisdom and knowledge as you play a part in any role you're in. This particular part, connection and communication, will set you up as a foundational component for the other elements to come, and so you can really thrive in any role that you find yourself in.